Hello everybody, this is Sheree from Turquoise Dreaming. Hope everyone's doing well today. Welcome to my channel. I am doing this video for the Spring Stashbuster Junk Journal Challenge. This is another part of my version of stash busting, as I'm finished up 3 of the book journals. And I want to do, before the month is over, since we pretty much, I guess, have all the month of March, to do as much stash busting as I can. So I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do next. And I've been, started having, at this time of year, I usually like to make some like travel journals. So I thought, I would go ahead because I really would like to go ahead and do that. And so what I've gotten out some of the elements that I thought I'd just go ahead and show those, and then we'll work on getting the journals together and the covers and the pages and the embellishments. But this is a kit that I had bought a while ago. I got this at Tuesday morning. And so this is like a travel themed kit. So I thought I'd show you that real quick. This is, I haven't looked through it yet either. You saw me just open it. So all I've seen is this and this, front and back. But let's see, this is little, okay, this is punch outs. Yeah, this is little punch outs. So these are cute, like here's a little tag. Let me see, are these punch outs or stickers? Oh, these are stickers, okay. They have both in these type of kits, so these are cool. I could either use these on pages, or I could use them on, like, put them on back them on cardstock and make journal cards and little tags and things, because like here's some tags, and you can see the bigger pieces. This is a tag. This could be a journaling card. These are really pretty too. I like the colors. So you see Bon Voyage here, and just little travel themed sayings and quotes. So really pretty on that. Let's see what else we have. Ooh, this is neat. It looks like a cork board. This is scrapbook paper. It is pretty thick, almost like cardstock. Here's a map related or a travel related little collage here, and in the back it is also there's kind of a little compass right here, and then another little collage, and it's outlined with kind of airmail looking trim here. So that is cool. I like that. Oh, and here's postal related page with of the scrapbook paper. On the back, a beautiful map, and another one of those. Yeah, usually they have 2 of each style in the kits. At least the ones I've gotten at Tuesday morning, that's how they are. This excuse me, this is made by Authentique. It's called Explore. And here's an airplane related page. Very cool. These look like clouds. So these will all be pages, unless they're cutouts. They'll be pages in my travel journals. So this is another postal related page. Very vintagey looking and pretty. And here's just a coordinating colored page right here. It's kind of a navy and cream. And then this is the airplane side. And here's another airplane and train. Here's a ship, bike. So different travel related vehicles. Here's a car. On the back is like labels. Very pretty. That would be a page, and then another one of those. Airplane with a blue, all blues, shades of blue here. And then on the other side, oh cool, airplanes but different colors. This is a light green and cream colored. This one is just different shades of this pattern, different colors. And then on the back, these are arrows. They're all pointing that way, and we've got the goldish and with almost white. It's not quite white. It's just off-white, it looks like to me. This is cool because it looks it looks postal related as far as the colors, red, white, and blue. And again, the white is not a white. It's kind of an almost an off-white, and then navy blue in that same off-white color, polka dots. Very cool. Oh, this is neat. I love all the coordinating colors. Got the plaid here with a postcard related back. And then this is a graph kind of grid. And it's very light, so hopefully you can see that in the camera. And then if I want to, I could cut these out, which I probably will. Yes, I'll definitely cut these out and make journaling cards out of these. These are pretty. All different cool postcard and travel related. Oh, look at this one here. It's a ship. Make sure you can see it good right here. Very pretty. I like this. I love this kit. Very nice. Okay, so that's the kit, and then the scrapbook papers. And I have these I had found at a thrift store, and they're really cool because they're, for the main reason is because they're really beautiful maps. They are made by National Geographic, and they are, I don't know what kind of paper they are, but they're like, almost feel like, I'm not going to try to rip one, but they almost feel like they have a coating of something on there to make them strong and durable. So kind of a protected paper. It's not quite plastic, but it's definitely got some kind of coating on there. Anyway, these maps cover all of the states, all of the United States, and they have this like feature kind of spot on each one of them where it has the name of the state that the map is covering. So this one's Hawaii, and you can see how pretty that is, and that would make a beautiful travel journal cover. And what I would do is back it, because it's certainly thick enough for a page, but not thick enough for a cover. And I hate to cover up any part of the map because that's also beautiful, but I need the cover to be stronger. So I would definitely put something on the back. I could put 2 layers of map, or I could put some cardstock on the back. So that's what I'll do. I'll layer those, and I've got one, like I said, like they cover all the states, but like this one covers all of these states: Washington, Oregon, Idaho, Montana, and Wyoming. So really pretty. I'll show you the cover. I'll show you this main picture that I would probably try to use on the covers for these. So you can see how pretty they are. Arizona, New Mexico, Utah, Colorado. Here is, oh, this is a cool one. North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas, Minnesota, Iowa, and Missouri. Isn't that pretty? And the next one is Arkansas, Oklahoma, Louisiana, and Texas. Just love these flowers. And the horse and buggy. Really pretty. And here's another one. I hope they're coming through on the camera as pretty as they are in person, because they are the colors are very vibrant. So you get the picture. Very, very pretty on those. Here's Florida with the different birds. So cool. Florida that was cool. Florida has one by itself, but it's with Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands. Maryland, Virginia, Delaware, West Virginia. More patriotic themed. This is New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania. Very cool. This is Maine. That's a lobster. That's cool. Alaska. Awesome. Got some huskies there with the pulling a sled. California and Nevada. Ooh, that's pretty. And then this is just a map that was in that same collection of things. Just a big pretty map of the United States. Now I don't know if I'll ever cut this up because it's very beautiful, and this is even, let me see how thick this is. This is thicker, so I don't know about cutting this up. It's so beautiful. And I think these are from, I saw a date somewhere when I was looking at these before, and I think they're from the 70s, something like that. And then I have a bunch of maps and like travel guides that I've collected. So I would use some of these, all these pretty maps. So lots of maps to use up. I have a drawer full of just maps. Here's a travel guide. Lots of things you can cut out in there and use as, you know, decorate your pages, embellishments. I have cardstock here that I'll be using. I was looking at the colors I could use for the back of the cover, so I've got this blue, and you know, if whatever matches the cover, that's what I would use on the cardstock. Here's an atlas. I was thinking maybe I could make a cover out of this cover. You know, it's just a cardstock cover, so I could use, now I need to make it a little wider, so I need to put some cardstock on the back. Plus this is an advertisement on the back. So I'd put something over here, and also I would, you know, also use that to widen the cover a little bit. So that's that. And then here's another atlas that I had found this at a thrift store, the Complete School Atlas. This one I thought was really cool, and I like this as a cover also. And then the inside is all types of, you know, this is called a school atlas, so it has all these really cool, you know, the smaller pieces like you just saw back here could be cut out and used as decorations on pages or embellishments, you know, making journal cards, things like that. And then they have all these pretty bigger pages that can be used as pages. So yeah, I couldn't believe I found this. This is really cool. I love this. So that's, I think, everything I had to show you. I'm going to use also, you know, I would use ledger paper and, you know, craft paper, things like that in there also to add for a variety of, you know, different pages to write on. Some lined pages. I always like to put lined pages in my journal, and just have journals and put plenty, you know, make sure I have plenty of room for writing. So that's it for my little this video as far as what I'm using, and I wanted to show you what I'm going to use. And then my next video on this series will be you know, starting to get the pages together. So, and the covers, I usually like to do the covers first. I know everybody does it different. I like to do the covers first because I like, and then I let my covers be my guide for the type of pages I put inside. So that's where we're going to go next. Maybe I'll just make a bunch of covers. I don't like to make more than 3, but I'm tempted to make more than 3 for these. So we'll see how that goes. And I'll see y'all next time. Thanks for watching today.